Hello guys, this is Zagros. In this video, I wanna explain about REN. Please start now subscribing and clicking the bell. You don't miss anything. What is REN? REN is a software that aims to incentive a global network of users to allow anyone to transfer both new and existing assets across different blockchains. For example, with REN, users can lock bitcoins or other assets in a smart contract and in return receive the equivalent of either on the ethereum blockchain. From there, bitcoin holders could use REN to access ethereum's suite of decentralized finance or DeFi products without having to sell their bitcoins or even transferring their assets across blockchains. Using these ethereum tokens, a user could even participate in ethereum's DeFi ecosystem, including on lending and borrowing platforms such as Compound or Aave. All the while, the user's bitcoins would remain locked in REN software. Should a user seek to unlock their funds, they would need to use the REN cryptocurrency, which is needed to pay nodes for operating and maintaining the network. Those wishing to stay up to date with the REN project can follow its roadmap and blog. How does REN work? To manage and execute its complex operations, the REN software uses a custom virtual machine that deploys its smart contract code to the REN network. If you're unfamiliar, virtual machines are emulations of physical computers that can perform computation over a distributed network without revealing the underlying information. To achieve this, REN's virtual machine uses ZK snarks, a cryptographic technique popularized by Zcash to shield transaction, and the Shamir secret sharing scheme, which fragments order to hide information from the nodes. Darknodes. The REN virtual machine is maintained by a network of computers called Darknodes. Anyone can run a Darknode, provided they lock up a certain amount of REN tokens in smart contracts. REN Darknodes help power the REN virtual machine by contributing bandwidth, computational power and storage capacity to the network, which together allow users to move crypto assets across blockchains. In exchange for helping maintain the network, Darknode operators earn rewards from the network fees in the form of REN tokens. REN bridges. To swap assets across blockchains, the REN virtual machine accepts tokens on one chain and creates new tokens representing the original ones on another chain through its REN bridge. For example, a user can send bitcoins to the REN VM, which then creates a new token on Ethereum called REN BTC, representing the original bitcoins. The REN virtual machine holds the original funds in storage, allowing for the process to be reversed when the user wishes to retrieve their bitcoins. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you for the next time. Bye for now.